What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce with the typical French pronunciation the name of this Grand Cru vineyard site. Yes, this is one of the two Grand Cru vineyards that can make both white and red wines in the Burgundy wine region of France. Yes, Corton wines are made either from Chardonnay or Pinot Noir. Only two Grand Crus can do that, the other being Musigny. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of this Grand Cru site located in the Cote de Beaune on the hill of Corton, or the Montagne de Corton, the Corton mountain? You can say with the typical French pronunciation the way we would say it in French, Corton, Corton, but it'd been fine in English or American to say Corton. Corton. Do not say Corton, but rather Corton. The Montagne de Corton. Corton Grand Cru wines. If you're interested in learning more about all the Grand Cru vineyards, the 33 Grand Cru wines made in Burgundy, the most expensive and the most famous of all of the wines in Burgundy, and arguably from around the world, here are videos that you may want to consider watching next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.